Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Go on, what's great? Chef John Morris again, man, presenting to you the creamiest and softest mashed potato you'll have. Here I have some potatoes that I have already peeled and washed. Just gonna cut those into quarters. Alright, so now that we have our potatoes cut, we have our water going. It's at boiling point right now. Then I'm going to add some salt to that water and boil these for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the potatoes are soft enough to be crushed. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt to that in with the potatoes. So now our 15 minutes has passed and our potatoes are right where we want them. So we're just going to turn the stove off and then we're going to drain these. Then it's time for us to mash these out nice and creamy. Add them back to our pot. First and foremost, butter, about a tablespoon and a half. Half cup of milk. Half cup cream cheese. Right in. Little Parmesan cheese. Dried parsley. Alright, we're going to combine all of these to get it nice and creamy. If you have a standing mixer, perfect. Creamier it will be. And there you have it. Creamy mashed potatoes made easy here on Morris Time Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching. And do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel on the gravel. Go on, big up on yourself.
I'm saying on the dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you have to tell me. Cause I know any man can feed you. So that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah.